Ikea.
Ate.
Ikea.
Ang ganda ng CR niya na, guys. Like, this is your own bed. Ganda. Maganda mo. Maganda. Bird. Good morning. So guys, padulong na mig IKEA dira. So may car. Okay. Wala ko'y maingo. Like, nagpunta lang kami IKEA and then nag-buy sila ng mga some for home shit and then ito bat ni Kuya Jason. And then taas kami. And wala. Where are we?
We're at Ikea.
Ha?
We're at Ikea.
Tayo nag-basket.
Ha? Kini? Jaden. Asa dire ana?
Tablet. iPad.
So guys, kami sa IKEA and ate.
Ikea.
Nag-window shopping.
Sorry si Angel yung first time sa Ikea.
Yes.
Wala.
Wow. Oh. Ma-appreciate na ko nito kung nako'y paliton pero wala man ko yung paliton. So,
Hindi daw niya ma-appreciate si Roldo sa palitan.
wala man po ko'y bala eh.
Hindi, pag kanang mag-ano ka ba, ma-inspire ka ba kung magkabalay?
Adi, susunod na lang.
Saan ka dali?
Ayun, na, ulo ko. Ayun. Jaden, get out. Wag inyo ate. Ano, bed siya. Oh, may bed. Dapat ka na yung ipalit.
Malata.
Ay, malata.
Ano mga sample na natin? Tulad dali. Small apartment.
Video ko.
Rena.
Ulo ka bala ka dyan. Pwede
No. Ganda ng CR nila, guys. Kids bedroom. Organize.
Ay, bugtong siya sa CR. Pangit.
Gamer. Ako kung doon kita na ano, babe.
Tsaka. Meron siyang tubig. May chocolate oh. Chocolate. Jaden, do the Tagalog accent.
Chocolate?
No, like the other one.
Tita furry. Mama is Leaving us na.
That's your Tagalog accent.
I also have a British accent. Because I watched Peppa Pig when I was little.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig when I was little.
Kupla. What's that?
What is that?
Jaden, go in the shower. Go in the shower.
Ew, it's doing.
It's there. You just step on it. Just step on it. Then act like you're.
That's what I do in the shower. I open my mouth.
Yuck.
And then this video. The Rocky Horror Show. Late mansion.
Okay, Jaden, do it again. Like this is your own bed. Do another post. Okay. Act like this is your room, Jaden. What will you do? Okay, okay, stop na. Okay, there's a lot of people. No, the lens. There's a stool. What's this? Oh, wait. I'm going to sit.
Hello. I call this room. Good night.
Ang ganda ang kwarto. And then meron
That's an egg chair.
egg chair. Okay, video me.
The egg chair.
It's very small.
Because it's for kids. Let me do it.
Wait. Okay, I'm going to sleep now. Good. Maganda mo. Maganda. Bird. Good morning. Ayan, pagkain daw nila. Sirado na sila. Oo. No. Pati din ang elevator. Uy, gidrawing. Caught in the act.
Yeah, we say this is coming.
Welcome na yun na. Alright. Hugaw-hugaw sana.
Wala kayo, mayroon ng ano.
Candy?
Tas-tas.
Wala.
Wala pa din dyan.
Doon siya, doon siya. Started for you.
Asa habi ko pila
Sa video.
Mama kayo na magot. Wala kayo paligalo kay magot. Si Marie.
Buang.
Blah blah blah. Regalo sa Anso.
Cuneta Clan.
Butan ito dyan. Okay, ako.
Apat na? Ay, tatlo na? Oh. It's already... Okay. Put it in my face. Guys, nagpalit sila. Oh, mga pangregalo. And then, hapit na mag-close ang IKEA. Chill na lang kami. We're eating candy cane because we're hungry.
And this is the only thing I have in my pocket. Not the big one.
Candy cane! So guys, nag-order may 646. Asan tayo mag-upo?
The car.
Ay, take out pala to. Look, kadagan sa yogurt.
Asa mo kami? Dinner.
Saan?
Happy plate.
Sharon, bro.
Tuyok.
646 daw.
So guys, overall experience sa IKEA is great, and ang yogurt nila kay malaking serving, and then ang hot dog very good, may vegetarian option and mayroong meat na option. So na taste ko yung vegetarian bites lang, mura siya kanang basa na cauliflower and ang hot dog na meat kasi kalimot may kuwag ketchup and mustard. And very good ang IKEA.